Hi viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn how to make money as a stay-at-home mom. If you are a parent and you are staying at home and you want to earn money by being at home as a parent, here are the ways for you. Remote jobs, you can work from home, no experience needed. In this way, okay, stay-at-home parents and guardians handle a myriad of responsibilities and around the house while taking care of their children. Many stay-at-home parents are excellent multitaskers and want the opportunity to work in addition to raising their kids. There are plenty of opportunities for moms and dads to make money from home while still attending to their parenting duties. In this article, we offer a list of 11 ways you can make money as a as a stay-at-home parent, 25 jobs for stay-at-home parents, and tips for from working from home. Okay, 11 ways to make money as a stay-at-home parent. If you are looking for ways to increase your income and raise your children at home simultaneously, consider this list of ways to make money out of your house. Sell or resell items. Survey your home and look for items you no longer use, such as clothing, furniture, books, kitchen goods, electronics, toys, or children have outgrown, or toys your children had outgrown. You can then list those items on different e-commerce sites such as Facebook, Marketplace, eBay, Craigslist, Craigslist, Etsy, and Nextdoor. It's important to take clear, high resolution photos of your pictures and do some research to find out how similar items sell for to price on items completely or competitively. Number two, find jobs on Upwork. Upwork is an online job board for freelancers. Jobs vary widely, scope, and can pay hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Start a blog. If you are particularly interested in a certain topic, you could start a blog and promote it on social media to attract an audience who wants to learn about that topic. If you draw a large enough audience with your blog, you can make money from advertising on your site. Number four is create online courses. Online course providers like Udemy, Skillshare, and Checkable pay creators to build and market online resources, online courses. Course offering cover various topics, including history lectures, photography, and foreign languages. Number five is starting a YouTube channel. While the online video sharing platform YouTube is a site for watching viral videos, it can also be a way to make money. If you have expertise in a particular area or want to blog about your life, you can try to rebuild or build a strong subscriber base and enable the monetization feature. YouTube allows you to earn money in various ways, including advertisements, percentage of subscription fees from each YouTube Premium member views, merchandise shelf if you have at least 10,000 subscribers, paid memberships to your channel if you have at least 30,000 subscribers, Super Chat, which allows users to pay to display their messages during your live streams. Number six, to rent out your home or a room. Listing your house or a spare bedroom on a vacation rental website like VRBO and Airbnb can also provide easy income if you can do so. If you do so, it's important to spend time keeping your property and home clean to ensure you maintain 100% occupancy. Consider renting your home on multiple sites. Number seven, sell services online. There are lots of online sites where specialists offer their services on a contract of on a contract or per project basis. Some different types of services you could offer: a graphic design, web design, link building, programming, animation, or video creation. Number eight, monetizing your craft skills. You can sell handmade items through your own blog or platforms like Etsy, eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or Craigslist. You could open a shop with handmade items like jewelry, candles, quilts, body care items, pottery, clothing. Number nine, offer pet sitting at home. If you enjoy animals and your kids get along with pets, you can run your own pet daycare or pet sitting businesses. This is a good way to earn money directly from your homemade by watching someone's pets at your home. You may need to invest in marketing and insurance if you operate out of your own home. Further, you also might want to speak with an accountant or broker as well as a lawyer to discuss liability. Number 10 is write or review resumes. Resume writing is a high paying and competitive niche. If you can find customers, you can charge $100 or more for each resume you write. Number 11, create a podcast. You can start a podcast with a laptop, microphone, and an interesting topic. Many podcasters make money using a subscription service like Patreon, right? So, see you soon in the next video. Till then, there are also jobs for stay-at-home parents: accountant, art teacher, blogger, copywriter, customer service representative, dance instructor, data entry clerk, editor, English teacher, freelance writer, graphic design, insurance sales agent, IT support specialist, online tutor, organizer, personal trainer, photographer, proofreader, real estate agent, social media manager, transcriptionist, travel agent, video editor, virtual assistant, wedding partner, or wedding planner. So guys, these are the simply working opportunities for parents who are staying at home parents and they can work from home. See you soon in the next video. Till then, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for more updates. Bye bye.